Hi guys, here we are at Bentley Station Level Crossing in Yorkshire with Joe, Shane and Andrew. I know. Wouldn't mind. This is for our 11:19 to Romeo 66 northern service from Adwick to Sheffield. Rest a while in memory of Eddie Skinner. Here she is. She's just at the back up there, but moving slowly.
Hurry up, bus.
Well, 2 minutes 57 now.
Now it's coming up to 3 minutes for a bus.
Did you get the crossing going down?
Yes. 3 minutes for a bus. Not good.
I'll get the train coming through, then I'll come down. I know.
You videoing train?
Mm-hmm. She's just pulling onto platform 1. We've got (144) to Sheffield. Crossing's going up. We've got 144 up to Sheffield. We're getting off at Doncaster.
Can I be in your video?
Shout out,
yeah?
We'll see if we can get another plane. And I shall see you in Doncaster.
Will you?